If your area is prone to frequent outages due to weather events, grid instability, or other factors, a solar battery can provide invaluable peace of mind and essential power during those disruptions. Two key points to remember. First, solar panels alone cannot provide power during a blackout. You need a battery storage system to store the generated electricity for later use. Second, standard grid-tied solar systems automatically disconnect from the grid during power outages, so a battery backup system is required to maintain power. So, if you live in a region prone to natural disasters or experiencing increasing grid instability, a solar battery offers a reliable backup power source during emergencies.